Hey people, my phone just now has only 3% charge, but we are just waiting outside this hotel Sandarshini because we are about to go for something nice. And Ayush, how did you like the lunch?
Not bad.
You liked it?
Not bad.
Okay, so it's we had a good.
I said not bad because I saw Ferrero Rogers and Naveen didn't buy it.
Beta, Ferrero Rogers is you have so much of chocolate and Kaju Katli. So I'll catch up with you all soon enough. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Hey people, so we are here with the Explorers Adda and this place is called Kila Gyanpur, which is in Mehboob Nagar, which is so which mountain are we climbing? This is how it looks.
That one, or that one?
Pick one.
This one.
We are climbing that.
We'll go there.
Avuna.
Where you have to run? Let's have a race. ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయితే మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళి ఆ కొండ మీదకి వెళ్తాం.
Avuna.
I chose that one.
Yeah. What is this?
అందుకే వెళ్ళదలుచుకోలేదు పైకి. నేను రానన్నయ్య అని చెప్పిన.
So this is how it looks and it is
ఒక్కతే
an interesting.
పైన కోత దొరుకుతుంది.
So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.
ఇది ఏ జన్మ సంబంధము తరిమిన 6 కాలాలు 7 లోకాలు చేరలేని ఒడిలో విరహపు జాడలేనాడు వాడి కన్నేసి చూడలేని జతలో శత జన్మాల బంధాల బంగారు క్షణమే తెలుసా మనసా ఇది ఏ నాటి అనుబంధమో తెలుసా మనస ఇది ఏ జన్మ సంబంధము
आपका उठ गया
I'll be fucked up if you can't be right, yeah. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. I'll be fucked up if you can't be right, yeah. I do the same thing I told you that